Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to add a cover in Notion Gallery View. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to show you how to create a gallery layout. So let's just say you wanted to create travel layout or gallery layout. So first, you can just simply create a table view and then you can change the following here. For example, the title is upcoming travel. Okay, so this is your upcoming travel right here. You're going to put all of the upcoming travels, so the countries and the details. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now, here you can simply edit the view and then you have to go to your icon. If you want to change the icon right here, you can change this to airplane or everything is up to you. And also another thing, you can just simply delete this part because I think this one is not necessary. You can also edit or delete a property here if you think that this is not necessary. Tap delete. So this is what it looks like. Now you can type here, for example, your next or your upcoming travel will be in Japan. So you have Japan here. If you want to add a property, for example, you want to add a date, click this plus icon and then search for date right here. Click this one and then you can change the format if you want, but for me it's okay. Now once you tap this, then you can set the date. You can also add end dates if you want to. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now you have added your date and then you can also add property if you wanted to, but this time let's just turn this into gallery layout. Tap this in three dots, go to layout and then click gallery. As you can see, we can't see the date. So you have to click this three dots again, go to properties. And as you can see, you just have to tap this eye icon to show the date here, the country and the date. Now we're going to add a cover. If you want to add a cover, it's pretty simple. You just have to click this one and you can see here, add an icon or add cover. So you just have to simply click this, add a cover right here. Now you have choices on how to add or change your cover. So we have here gallery. You can choose from any of this here. You can also upload from your device. Okay, you just have to simply upload it from your computer. Link, just paste the URL right here, and then the image will show, or for Unsplash. So Unsplash, you can simply search for the specific image right here. For example, Japan. So you will see here results for Japan. All you have to do is to tap one, or all you have to do is to select one. For example, this one right here. Wait as it is loading. So this is what it looks like. Change the icon if you want. Okay, emoji, icon, or custom. So let's just search for Japan again. Okay, so this is the icon. You can add more properties and information if you want to, but this is how you simply add a cover here on your Notion. As you can see, it's not here yet. So you have to click this three dots again, go to layout, and then you have to click this card preview, page cover, and that's it. So that's how simple it is to add a cover here on your Notion gallery view. And if you want to do it again, you just have to simply add a name of a country and then add icon, add a cover, add property, and then add more information. So as you can see, change cover right here. And you can get from gallery, upload, link, or Unsplash. So let's search for Vietnam right here and choose an image related to Vietnam. Also same with the icon. All you have to do is to search emoji or icons or custom. Okay. And then this is what it looks like. Now, if you go back, then you will see here that you have added a cover on your gallery view. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.